Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a subscription box. I do love to share my subscription boxes. I love to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today is one of my favorite subscription boxes lately, and that is the Allure box. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna open it up here and give you a little peek inside. They've got a little pamphlet that tells everything that's in the box and about it. And I think there's another card in there with a QR code where you can shop in the store. Have you heard Pink is in? They're showing some of their pink beauty products. So anyway, the first thing I'm gonna pull out here is one of my favorite skincare companies. Like I say, I feel like Allure is killing it. They always have a high-end skincare, and this is Tula Balance Skincare right there, and it says why you'll love it. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in your routine, and this silky option is as comfortable to wear as it is effective. So there is no hesitation when it comes to applying it daily. Squeeze the tube out, and out comes pearly goop swirled with translucent bits of gel. Let's see. There we go. It's kind of got a little bit of a sheen to it. It says, beside preventing sun damage, pineapple and papaya extracts gently exfoliate skin, leaving you with a luminous, dewy finish. And I see that, the luminous, dewy finish. So that's our first product, yay. It's a good one. And the next product I'm going to share is from Ipsy. And there's the box. It says why you'll love it. Most glosses feel sticky at first swipe, but Ipsy's makes it feel pillow soft. A touch of this mauve pink. Okay, there's a mauve pink. It's actually my color. Delivers a sheer wash of color and shine on its own, but it also doubles as a pretty finishing touch over any lipstick when you want some extra sheen. So okay, it is, well, it's a little bit sheer. Ooh, it's a beautiful color. Look at that. Loving it. Okay, I'm excited. This is me. This is along my lines here. So that was the second item. The third item we're gonna show is this is an item that I have been hearing about lately, and it's by WOW, W-O-W, and it's a Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. It says why you'll love it. Oh, it's kind of a glare on here. Why you'll love it. Inside this shiny bottle is liquid gold for those prone to frizz and flyaways. This smoothing styler forms an invisible shield on your hair like a raincoat against humidity as soon as it's activated by the heat of your blow dryer. Yay. Okay, so I have heard wonderful things about it. I'm excited to get it. Humidifier, it's also has received a Best of Allure Beauty winner, so you know it's good if it's received that. I always trust their taste on that. Don't have prices yet. I'm going to get prices in a bit. Okay, the next item is by LaRousse makeup brushes. And I think I've received these before and really like them. there's a duo fiber brush or angle brush. So it depends which one you receive. It says why you'll love it. I'm trying to open this up here. Why you'll love it, like magic wands. This looks like an eye set. You can always use eye sets. Here, they go like this. They're really pretty. Black with like a charcoal or silver top. They feel really good. That's a good, yeah. So, like magic wands more than makeup tools, the soft, fluffy bristles on these two brushes blend out your favorite powders and creams to such perfection, it looks like as if a professional has done your makeup. Honestly, these feel really high-end to me. They feel really, really like good brushes. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so the next thing is, oh, it's okay. I'm gonna have to go to the, this little thing to tell you the next ones. Okay, so the next thing is from Belief. This is a skincare product, and okay, it gives you a big box and a small package. There's what it looks like. I'm gonna tell you what it says about it. I'm gonna need my glasses for this one. Okay, so hyaluronic acid has become known as a superstar ingredient for its hydrating powers, and there are 5 different types blended into Belief serum for maximum dewiness. The addition of antioxidants like ferulic acid helps protect your skin barrier simultaneously. It feels lightweight going on even though it's a heavy hitter for quenching parched skin. Okay, retail price is $32 for 15 milliliter. So there's 5 milliliters in the box, so it'd be a third of 32. What's that? $10 to $11 for this. I'm excited about this. This is a great travel size, so I will probably save it for a trip coming up. Okay, so that's, let's see, is that our 4th item? Okay, the 5th item we have here, I think I've gotten this before too. This is from Zero, and it's a it's a cleansing balm. So this just cleanses, takes away your makeup, removing stubborn waterproof mascara and full coverage makeup. Base products, it can feel like a chore, but this hydrating cleanser effortlessly melts it all away for a pampering makeup removal process. So it's small, but let's see. It is just like a balm. So there's that, yes. And the last thing we have in here is Viktor Rolf Good Fortune, a sample of perfume. Viktor Rolf has my favorite perfume, which is called Flower Bomb. This one is, what did I say it was called? Good Fortune. So just, oh, it's a little spray sample. I'm gonna do it because, ooh, like it. Okay, so I now have perfume on today. Oh, it's really powerful. That smells really good. Okay. All right, so that's it. Let's see, 6 products, and let's go over them again. Let me do prices first. I didn't do prices before. The Tula Skin this is a full size, and it is, okay, $39 for 50 milliliter. This is a full size. Okay, the WOW product is, I can't read without these. It's $28 for 6.7 ounces. This is only 1.7. So, I don't know. I'm not doing my math, but that would be probably around $5 or something like that. I already told you the Belief Aqua Bomb. This is a 5 milliliter, so it'd be like $10 to $11. The Zero retail price is $19 for 100 milliliter. This is only 7 milliliter. So there's that. The Ipsy is this right here is $16. This is a full size. There's also promo codes on these products, so you can go buy them in the shop for less money. They're anywhere from 20 to 30%, I think, or 15 to 30% maybe. So yeah. So anyway, that's kind of nice. The makeup brushes, retail price is $30. And that is this is a full-size product for the 3 brushes. So there's that. So I'm excited. We got the brushes, we got the WOW Beauty, we got the Tula skincare or sunscreen, and we got the Belief hyaluronic acid, the Ipsy Lippy, which I love, it's me. And then we got the Zero Balm makeup remover, tough makeup remover. So there's those items, yay. I'm excited about it. It's probably not the, well, it's a good box. It's a good box for $20. Now, right now, you can get your first box for $10, and I have a code below in my About section that you can use for discount. Also, let's see, when you get your first box, they give an extra item, an extra beauty item, and you can't beat $10 for your first box. So you might want to run and do that. I think they're normally $25, but I get a discount because I signed up for more than 1 month at a time. And so anyway, that's it for the Allure. I'm really happy with it. I don't know if it's my favorite one I've gotten from them, but this is a really good box. All things I wanted to try. So I'm excited. Anyway, and the perfume smells really good. I wanted to mention that I have a giveaway coming up. I had promised a giveaway when I got to 250. So I'm over that now, just over a quarter of my way to my 1,000, which is my big number I'm looking for. So be on the lookout in the next few days for that giveaway. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, whatever, so you can be aware of my videos when they come out. And also be aware of the giveaway coming up. I'm gonna try to make it a good one. So I have several things in it. And anyway, so just wanted to mention that. Thank you, and we'll get on with the show here. So I guess that's it. Thank you, friends. Thank you for being here. And I guess until next time, we will see you later. All right, friends. Bye-bye.